So we approached our migration to Quartex with many very specific field configuration requirements. Fortunately, Quartex is flexible in that score, and though we started with the standard default field set, we found we could easily customize and create additional fields to include all of our own standard and special fields. One of the customizations was to add a variety of narrower fields for contributors and subjects, as you can see here.
What made you decide to make some fields controlled vocabularies versus free text?
In sheer numbers, I think we still have more free text fields, but we do make great use of controlled vocabularies, or CVs. The main benefits of using CVs are consistency of terms across the site, including ability to make global changes, and providing options to make specific searches by clicking on a CV term. Any field can be searched, of course, but free text fields require a general keyword search instead of supplying a CV link that will return just the records containing that exact term. Finally, CVs also let us take advantage of various page and search design options within Quartex.